Today I'm going to use this torch to cook this piece of meat. Stick around, let me show you how we do it. This is Texas style barbecue and cuisine. I am Chef Johnny. Sure appreciate you dropping by. This is my grill gun from Grill Blazer. I'm going to show you what we're going to do is I've got a StripLoin here. This is a wonderful steak. If you've never done a StripLoin, hey folks, give this a try. It's great as any prime rib you've had, but it's a little on the cheaper price than one. So anyways, they come out very good on the grill. I'm going to show you how to cook this up by doing a reverse sear. We're going to season this up great with some of my Cosmo rubs. I'm going to show you all those. Then we're going to put it onto my Outlaw Smoker pellet grill. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to sear it off at the end using my grill gun. So come in here close. Let me show you how I kind of trim it. Don't have to trim it much. Then we're going to get the seasonings on and get it onto that pellet grill. This meat, like I said, doesn't have a whole lot to get trimmed off of it. There's a little bit of silver skin right there. I'm going to take that off. A lot of this fat is going to render out anyways. But you can clean this up really as much as you want to up here. Just get you a good sharp knife. Take some of this connective tissue off. And that's going to give you just a little better chew, right, when we do this. But right there, take off this piece right here. And I'm not gonna clean this up real good. Just gonna kind of cook it like it is. We're gonna get it on this pellet grill at about 240 degrees is where I have it set. So that's where it's going to be today when we cook it. We're going to bring it up to about 130, 135 degrees in the middle. And then I'm going to take this grill gun and I'm going to sear it off using it. That's about all I'm going to take off there. Let's just flip it over and look. You see it's got a little fat cap on it. I'm not going to take that fat cap off. I'm going to cook it fat side down. That'll protect it a little bit. And I always like a little bit of fat on here anyway. So that looks pretty good. Take my paper towels and I'm just going to pat it dry. You know, some people will wash their meat off and stuff. I really do not do that. Kind of shy away from doing that, but we're going to dry this good. And we're going to put on 3 different rubs. We're going to layer our flavors. Y'all hear me talking about layering flavors all the time. We're going to start off with Texas beef from Cosmo. I'm going to get a nice little coating of it on this nice looking StripLoin. I want to make sure I get my edges right. Texas beef is on. And of course you got to have cow cover, so we're coming back with some cow cover. Again, work those edges. What I'd like to do is come back with some cow cover or some Dirty Bird Hot. Have some folks coming with us tonight. Don't like the heat, can't take the heat. So we're just going to use regular Dirty Bird tonight for our 3rd layer. Get that side good. This is going to have a whole lot of flavor on it. Flip that over. Gonna pat this side dry. And we're gonna start that process all over again. Texas beef. Cow cover. And now our Dirty Bird on top of that. We have got some great flavor packed into this. It's gonna be a wonderful meal for our Christmas Eve. I tell you what, we're gonna enjoy this tremendously. Let's get it on that Outlaw smoker. Got some fantastic pellets on there. They're gonna give us plenty of smoke, and we're gonna get that char we want from the grill gun. But let's get it on there at 240 degrees. Probably gonna go about an hour. Check our temps, 130, 135 degrees. No hotter than that. Then we'll pull it off, we'll sear it, and we're gonna serve this up a nice medium rare. Ends are gonna be toward medium. Wife will be happy about that. So let's see us getting it on this Outlaw smoker. Get this smoker open. I'm gonna go on the top shelf today. I'm gonna take this, a little more extreme heat right down by the plate, right? We're not gonna put it by the plate. We're gonna put it up here, scrunch it together like we always do. Here in a little bit, I'm gonna flip ends with it after about 30 minutes. Put a thermometer in it so we can monitor that temperature, because we want to get it off in that lower 130s. So we can bring it up to that 140. It'll carry over to about 145 and we'll be good. Let's close it up. See y'all about 30 minutes. While we're waiting on that StripLoin to get cooked, I want to tell you a little bit about the hat I'm wearing. Guys, I get my hats from Heads or Tails Hats. And Rick Feemster and his guys over there, Marcus, Billy, Joe, Jeff. Jeff and I have been friends since 1980, guys. I've been around a long time. This is the third Heads or Tails hats. This is the Feemster Ranch collection. These are fantastic hats. I think you'll like them too. So hey, at your next rodeo, be looking for their booth there. Find them at the NFR every year. Find them in San Antonio, Houston. But guys, get online, find Heads or Tails hats. Ladies, they have got those fancy fedoras. They'll put some fantastic blocks in there. They can put cactus in your hat, arrowheads in your hat. They do all kinds of great things. Rick does burning work on them, banded edges, fancy headbands, you name it. Heads or Tails will take care of you. They're the official hat of Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. So please go over to their website, check them out, find them at a local rodeo, and please make sure you tell them that Chef Johnny told you to stop by and see them. We're about 45 minutes in. I'm gonna flip this end for end, and it's not gonna have a tremendous amount of color on it, just because it's only 45 minutes in, but it is getting a nice smoke layer. And remember, our char on this is gonna come from that sear at the end when we use that grill gun. But all I do is put on cotton gloves, latex gloves over them. Hey folks, cheapest insulated gloves you can get right here. Make sure you get a size bigger, right, than you need. But that's gonna go on. Open this up, let y'all take a look at it, and then we'll get it turned around. I'm gonna stick a thermometer in it. I would guess it's getting close to 100 degrees right now. We'll take it up to that 135, and then we're gonna sear it off. All right, let's open it up. All right, take my iGrill Mini. We're gonna kind of go in the center of the center, right? Right there, let her start cooking. Close it back up. We'll see y'all when it gets up to about 135 degrees. We're gonna get this off. It's up to 135. Look how it puffed up nice. It's gonna be very good. Take my iGrill Mini out. Get this, I'm gonna sit on my cutting board, and we're gonna show you how to sear it off with the grill gun. Now we're gonna sear it off. Guys, this grill gun, he has this model, he has a shorter one he calls his sous vide gun, if you're gonna need to sear off after a sous vide, but I got the longer one, have more uses for it. It'll run off these little 1-pounders. Or right now, I've got it hooked to the hose, it's hooked to a 20-pound big propane tank. So you do it either way. Turn on your propane tank. Crack it open a little bit. And we got fire. We're just gonna sear off this meat now. Turn that off. Make sure you turn your bottle off just in case your hose isn't tight and you won't lose all your propane, right? There you have it. Beautiful seared off strip loin. You could do this with a prime rib. You could do it with a fillet, however you wanted to do it. But this is going to be wonderful. Can't cut off a whole lot of it and show y'all that, but I am going to cut a little bit once it cools down some. Then I'm going to get it inside, serve it up to the family. I'm going to show y'all plate it up inside. Wife's got some garlic mashed potatoes, some broccoli, and a wonderful wine sauce that we're going to serve this with. So we'll take you in there, show you the plates, but we're going to slice this up in just a second, give you a look, take a quick taste of it. So, see if we can slice this. We're about 2/3 of the way through it. Look at that. Look at that. Man. That is a beautiful strip loin right there. We are medium rare all the way through on our reverse sear. Take off just a little piece here for our taste test. Tell you what, beautiful, beautiful medium rare. That's good. Man, moist. And I'll tell you what, Texas beef, cow cover, dirty bird on top. We layered those flavors. We got that crispness and that char using our grill gun at the end, but reverse here got that medium rare all the way through it. Great. Great strip loin. This is a New York strip, folks, is what it is. Strip loin. But it's fantastic. I hope y'all have a wonderful, wonderful Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all those kind of things. You'll see this after Christmas, but hey, it's Christmas Eve here in Texas. Fix this up for the family, and they're going to love it. I'm going to love it. Thank y'all so much for spending another year with me here at Texas Style Cuisine. Remember to check out my buddies over at Heads or Tails Hats. They'll really appreciate it. Grill gun, got a link below. Chef Johnny 10 will get you 10% off that. Hey, thanks for stopping by. Have a Merry, Merry Christmas. And we're going to see y'all down the road on Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. Goodbye, everybody.
How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.